Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making North Indian special dish Rajma Chawal, which is very easy to make and also it is very good in taste. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done. I have taken 3/4 cup of Rajma. We will wash this. I have washed this. Now we will soak this for minimum 12 hours or overnight. Now after 12 hours our rajma have soaked well. Now we will drain this water, wash it twice. Now I have washed this twice. Add it in the cooker. Now in this cooker we will add water, twice the measure of rajma. I am adding 1 cinnamon stick, 1 inch and 1 bay leaf. Now we will keep this on medium flame for 8 whistles. Now you can see our rajma have cooked well. We'll just check whether our rajma have cooked well. You can see if we press, it is easily mashing. So these have cooked well. We'll take out this bay leaf and our cinnamon stick. Now, so let's start preparing our masala. To a pan, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. Now the oil is hot. To this I am adding 2 roughly chopped onions. Now we will fry this until slightly translucent. Not make this to golden brown. To this I have added 1 teaspoon garlic, that is around 10 to 12 cloves. To this I am grating 1 inch ginger. Now this has cooked well. This is enough. We will put off the gas. Now I will take it out to a mixie jar. We will make a fine paste of this. So after taking out the onions, this much oil is left. I have made the paste of the onion, ginger and garlic. Now we will add it here. Now we will cook this on low flame for around 4 minutes. These are 2 big tomatoes. We'll make a puree of this. Now you can see the oil has separated a bit. We will add the tomato puree. Now we will mix this and start adding our spices. I am adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add according to your taste. And some chili powders are very hot, so see the taste and you can add. Next our 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, turmeric powder, one and a half teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste. I have added 1 and a half teaspoon. This is on low flame. Once we mix all this, we will allow this to cook properly until all the rawness goes. Now after mixing this, we will close the lid and keep it to cook around 5 minutes on medium flame. I have drained all the water separately. We will use this later. Though our rajma have cooked well, still we will smash this little bit, it will taste better. You can see I have just smashed it a little bit, not too much. This is fine. Now you can see our masalas have cooked well. You can see the oil has separated. Now we will add our rajma to this. Mix well and allow this to cook for another 2 minutes. I'll close the lid and keep it for just 2 minutes. I'm adding half teaspoon of Shahi Garam Masala. This is optional. This gives a rich taste, so I have added. Now we will mix this. Adding the drained water which we had drained from the rajma. You can keep this little thick also, or if you want to add little more water, you can add. I am adding all the water which I had drained. It was just 2 cups of water. This is kasuri methi. This will give a good flavor. So we will rub it over our palm and add it here. Also, I am adding, just garnishing with this green chili. This is optional. If you wish, you can add chopped coriander. Now we will just keep this on low flame and close the lid and allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. We will check our rajma. You can see the color. Now this is the consistency what we need. This is enough. I have kept it little thin so that it will taste good with the rice. If you want, you can keep it thicker also, but once it cools down, it will get thicker. You can see so nice it looks. Also it tastes very rich. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of ghee to this. Otherwise also it tastes good. Now I will put off the gas and we'll do the plating. We will serve this with rice. I have taken jeera rice. You can serve it with plain rice also.